up, guys? Caruso here. Today we're going to be learning my personal favorite trick, Feeble Grind the Fakie on a mini ramp. Now before you start learning this trick, just want to make sure you can board slide the Fakie and feeble stall. Alright, so first you're just going to want to approach the ramp at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so as you come up for a feeble grind, you're just going to press on the tail slightly to lift that wheel up. And the second you feel this back wheel touch the coping, you're going to poke your front foot out. I almost keep my front leg completely straight out because it just kind of puts pressure on the front and helps this wheel not stick on the coping. And all your weight is going to be leaning on your back leg. You're almost going to be sitting back, all weight on the back leg, not pressing on the tail, but just leaning all the way back. So just make sure when you're getting into it that you don't have your whole truck on the coping like that. You're going to stick, it's just not going to feel right. This way right here, just get that one wheel, very important. It's pretty much the whole trick. If you can figure out how to lock it in like that, you should be able to learn it. One thing to keep in mind with this trick is you could be trying it on a smaller quarter pipe, and that's what actually could be stopping you from learning it. See, a lot of times it's the steepness of the ramp that actually helps you be able to grind it. When it's mellow, your wheels are rubbing and sticking all over the ramp. But when it's steeper, your wheels have more room to be hanging off, and it's just way easier to grind. So if you're having trouble on like a 2-foot mini ramp, that's most likely the reason, because I would still have trouble on it. And I've done hundreds of them, and I'd go to a small ramp and I would just stick the whole day. So don't worry about it, just try to find maybe some steeper transition, help you get through it. All right, so when I come in from this trick, I use this technique where I kind of get a little light-footed and I slide my wheels on the ramp almost like a blunt slide. I actually talk about this in my other video, 5 Secrets to Skate Mini Ramp. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, just make sure to check out that video because there's a bunch of useful tips in there. But yeah, I use that technique where I slide my wheels and you can actually see all my wheel marks. What this does is it just kind of gives you strength with the trick, like you own the trick, you're telling it where to go. You know, when you're taking those wheels off the coping and almost taking the risk out of it and controlling exactly where you want to go. Now this might take a little bit more comfort. So in the beginning, you can go slow, feeble grind until you stop, and then come in the fakie. But once you start doing it, going a little faster, practice this technique of sliding the wheels on the ramp, and you should be able to do it and feel really comfortable doing it. Then once you get those down, you can try to learn some variations. All right, guys, hope today's Feeble Grind the Fakie trick tip was helpful. Thanks for watching.